In this video, we will explore the concept of positive affirmations, how they work, and why they matter. Positive affirmations are statements that are used to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They are short and simple, but powerful and impactful. Positive affirmations work by reshaping the way we think and perceive ourselves. When repeated consistently, they can rewire our brain, replace negative beliefs with positive ones, and increase self-confidence and self-esteem. Positive affirmations are important because they improve our mindset and emotional well-being. They have a direct impact on our actions and behavior, helping us overcome challenges, achieve goals, and create a more positive and fulfilling life. To make the most out of positive affirmations, it's important to be specific, use present tense, believe in what you're saying, and repeat them consistently. Incorporating them into a daily routine and pairing them with visualization techniques can enhance their effectiveness. Positive affirmations are statements that are used to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They serve as a tool to reframe our mindset and replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. These affirmations are intentionally crafted to be short and simple, making them easier to remember and repeat. Despite their simplicity, positive affirmations hold significant power and impact. By consistently affirming positive statements, we can shift our thoughts and beliefs, fostering a more positive and optimistic outlook on life. This practice can help improve self-confidence, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Stock footage keywords for this narration could include affirmations, mindset, self-belief, positivity, and personal growth. Positive affirmations work by reshaping the way we think and perceive ourselves. When we repeat positive affirmations consistently, they have the power to rewire our brain and replace negative beliefs with positive ones. This process is known as neuroplasticity, where our brain forms new neural connections based on repeated thoughts and experiences. By consistently affirming positive statements, we can create new pathways and strengthen positive beliefs about ourselves. This, in turn, increases our self-confidence and self-esteem. Stock footage keywords for this narration could include affirmations, mindset, neuroplasticity, self-belief, and personal growth. Positive affirmations are not only important for improving our mindset and emotional well-being, but they also have a direct impact on our actions and behavior. By consistently affirming positive statements, we can shift our perspective, cultivate a more positive attitude, and approach challenges with confidence. Positive affirmations serve as a powerful tool for overcoming obstacles and achieving goals, as they help us maintain focus and motivation. They can also create a ripple effect, influencing our interactions with others and contributing to a more positive and fulfilling life. Stock footage keywords for this narration could include affirmations, mindset, positivity, personal growth, goal achievement, and resilience. To make the most out of positive affirmations, there are several tips to keep in mind. First, it's important to be specific when crafting your affirmations. This helps to target a particular area of focus or goal. Using the present tense is also crucial, as it signals to your subconscious mind that the affirmations are already true. Believing in what you're saying is another key aspect, as having faith in the affirmations strengthens their impact. Consistency is vital for lasting change, so be sure to repeat your affirmations regularly. Additionally, incorporating them into a daily routine and combining them with visualization techniques can further enhance their effectiveness. Stock footage keywords for this narration could include affirmations, positive mindset, visualization, goal setting, and personal growth.